with the influx of migrants to the Chicago area, local nonprofits are seeing more demand for services to help those arriving from other countries. Among them are unaccompanied children. Raya Stoysheva is the Chicago managing attorney for the Young Center, a nonprofit that assists unaccompanied immigrant children in Chicago and other major cities here in the U.S. And there you see her. She's joining us now to talk a little bit more about what they're seeing and how you at home can perhaps volunteer. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me this afternoon.
Raya, I want to ask you, about 20 to 25% of the people who are coming in to Chicago by bus, and we've seen the images throughout the last year, are children, 20 to 25% of them. I know that your organization is able to help. What sort of help are you able to offer them?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. The Young Center for Immigrant Children's Rights is a national organization started right here in Chicago 20 years ago, working with immigrant kids in federal custody. That's unaccompanied and separated kids. So kids who come here alone to the United States without their families, or kids who are separated from their families on their journey or at the border. So they don't have anyone in their corner advocating for them, for their best interests and for their rights. So that's where the Young Center steps in. Our attorneys, social workers, advocates, and volunteers are there to learn about them, learn about the kids, and advocate for their safety, rights, and best interests.
It's so hard to hear that so many children make that journey alone and are here by themselves. Talk to me about the sort of way that they're coming here, what condition you're finding them in once they do arrive and they come to your organization. What do they tell you?
Yeah, kids take a lot of different routes to the United States depending on where they're coming from. Right. And the kids that we work with are on their own. So they've traveled some portion of that journey on their own. If they're coming from farther away than Central America and Mexico, they're going through the Darien Gap, which is, I'm sure some of you may know, is a treacherous bit of jungle with a lot of physical and other threats. They're often going then on foot or by some sort of other means through Central America and through Mexico. So, kids make their way in a lot of different ways, and some of them who are truly on their own go through a lot of difficulties before making it to border and asking for safety and protection, as they're entitled to do under international and federal law.
Yeah, it's got to be so difficult for them. I know that you're asking for volunteers, meaning that people can, on their own, sort of choose to work with you and help some of these kids who are here on their own. So talk to me about what you're looking for in people who volunteer.
Absolutely. So we are having a volunteer training next weekend on Saturday, September 23rd. And we're looking for folks who, you don't have to be an expert in immigration or any expert in anything else. You just have to be passionate and committed to working with us and supporting immigrant children. We are looking for folks who are bilingual in a lot of different languages that the kids who come here speak. But yes, we're looking for folks who are passionate and ready to work with us.
And when you talk about commitment, what are we talking about?
Absolutely. So our advocates will be appointed to work with the child while they are in federal custody and while their immigration case is pending. So they will meet with the child once a week for about an hour, and it's really child-led. The children choose what they do together. It can be reading books, it can be playing games, it could be talking. It's providing that space for the child to really play and feel like a kid for the little bit of time they have together.
So they almost serve a little bit like an advisor. Okay, we appreciate your time, Raya. Thank you. The Young Center Child Advocate Training will take place, as she mentioned, Saturday, September 23rd from 9 to 4:30 at Chicago School of Professional Psychology, located at 325 North Wells in Chicago. For more information, you can head to their website, youngcenter.org.